In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Squeak Proxy. This is a VPN. This is one of the free VPNs you can find on Google Play Store as an Android user. So to use it is very, very simple. You just need to download it from your Google Play Store. You hop on the page like this. You allow everything. They are going to ask you to allow proxy settings on your phone so that your VPN can turn on. So when you hop on the interface like this, you can switch the countries. When you tap on the America, you can switch because there are a lot of states, so you can switch as well. You tap on the connect to connect. Good. And then you can test your speed and everything. You can tap on all these things to get to know everything. So this is your IP, this is your server and all that. So now let's come back. So to disconnect, you tap on there. You see where the timeline is, the button beside it. Tap on that and you disconnect. Good. And now let's move to the settings. The interface is very, very simple. This is the setting here, the privacy agreement, the terms of service is very, very simple. And the connections, just like you saw, is only US. They give you only US connections here. So let's say you are trying to stream something on Netflix and it's available on Netflix US alone. I think this is a free VPN that's going to help you. But then the thing is, then the downside is you have to be watching ads. So now let me show you guys to be increasing the time. Good. So now let's come back here and you can see add 5 minutes, IP location, add 5 minutes. That's it. So after the timeline is down, you just need to tap on the add 5 minutes so you can connect again. So it's just kind of a waste of time. Yeah, very, very annoying. Yeah, so that's it about the Squeak Proxy. It's a VPN that's going to allow you connect to the US. Simple and easy. So if you have any question, I have a lot of tutorials on couple VPNs on the internet or Google Play Store. And I don't know whether it's available on App Store though, but I can check it out if you are using Apple. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question on Squeak Proxy, you let me know. Peace.